You may be wondering what is going on. The idea was to simulate to non-deaf people how a deaf conversation is like. If you did not understand a word that was spoken in the short video clip, you came to the right place. This is where my project journey started, with the problem that there exists a communication barrier between deaf people and non-deaf people. The first thing that I did was do a literature study on how South African Sign Language works, and what is the possible options I can look at to overcome this communication problem at hand. There are two main approaches, vision-based and sensor-based. I decided to do the vision-based approach. After identifying the possible technologies for the vision-based approach and having a better understanding of how sign language works, a preliminary design was done. This includes requirement flowdown diagrams, functional flow block diagrams, and trade-off studies between the different technologies. The technology that best suited my budget and will also solve the problem was the Leap Motion controller. After that, I started programming. An iterative design approach was followed. An iterative design approach is based on a cyclic process of prototyping, testing, and analyzing and refining the project until satisfactory conditions. A lot of YouTube videos was watched, and the SDK document of the Leap Motion controller was read a few times. This helped a lot with extracting the necessary features like the fingertip position and the palm position. A small database was created for each of the alphabetic letters. 5 candidates were used to generate this database. The data was used to create a neural network in MATLAB, where the collective data was fed into the neural network and the predicted output of the model was used as my new robust template. The main implementation of the system uses a geometric template matching. This is where the user signs a gesture, and the gesture that is made is compared to a predefined database of templates that was created out of the neural network. After implementation and testing of the system, let's watch that video from the start again.